Welcome to Lawyer Unveiled. My name is Attorney Chevelle Douglas. I'm an attorney licensed here in the state of Georgia. Today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite subjects. I love talking about child support. I love going to court about child support. One of the misconceptions is that you can somehow be taken off of child support. But if you get nothing from this video, please understand that the only person that can take you off of child support is a judge. Now, the typical scenario I hear is there is an open child support case. There's an order for child support that is being enforced through the Office of Child Support Services, and mom and dad come to some kind of agreement. Maybe dad's lost his job, maybe mom's lost her job. They come to an agreement where one party is not paying their full amount of child support, or they're not paying child support at all. And maybe they have this agreement for years and everything is working out fine. But when there's some kind of hiccup, then mom or the custodial parent will go to child support and say, you know what, now I would like this child support enforced. And oh, by the way, the past 2 years he hasn't been paying me. And there really is no recourse for the father at that point. The only real thing that he can do is produce proof that he has actually made those payments. And since there was this agreement, it's likely that he's not going to have it. So in turn, he has a boatload of arrears. You figure $500 a month, 2-3 years, it could be $10,000-$15,000 that's owed pretty easily. And when the case is being enforced through child support enforcement, your license could be suspended. Any license that you have can be suspended, and you're put in a position where you need to come up with a substantial amount of money in order to prevent some kind of enforcement action being brought against you. So the only way to protect yourself is this: if you and the mother or the custodial parent have a real agreement, he or she should be willing to file a modification in the Superior Court, which would reflect that agreement. All you got to do is go to a lawyer, have him or her draw up the documents where there's already an agreement, file them with the court, let the judge sign off on the order. If there's a real agreement between you two, you should be able to get the other party to agree to a modification through Superior Court. Otherwise, the only way to protect yourself is to, on a monthly basis, have mom or have dad sign actual receipt saying that he or she received the funds. Otherwise, you are going to be screwed, and there is no way to protect yourself. So again, if you get nothing from this video, please understand that you cannot be taken off of child support by the custodial parent. And if you want to protect yourself, you need to actively do something to protect your interests. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call my office. We are available. My phone number is 678-534-2490. I also have a plethora of information available on my website, www.douglaslawgroup.com. Thank you.